Carolyn, did you have a good morning? Oh, good morning. Good morning, big sister. Oh, he's so annoying, isn't he? Look at big sister. Little brother's so annoying. He's so irritating. He's so irritating. Who's the irritating little boy, huh? What's the matter, bub? Come here, Justice. What a good girl. Oh, mommy's a good girl. Mommy's a good girl. Mommy kisses? Come here, Justice. Come here. Oh, you're a good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's so cute, stretchy. Stretchy boy. Oh, just mommy's a good girl. Okay, stretchy boy. What you doing, handsome? Oh, you done? Okay. Say bye.